Hello everyone, welcome back to WebTube app, and in this video I will show you how to use Google Gemini on Android. If you don't already have Gemini app, then you can go to the Play Store on your Android device and search for Google Gemini and install it, or you can also use Gemini directly from your browser by visiting the Gemini website. See Open Gemini, sign into your Google account. Now you can type questions, generate ideas, summarize text, or even ask for help with writing and research and create images too. Gemini also supports follow-up questions and AI-powered assistants similar to other AI chat tools. And that's it. That's how you can start using Google Gemini on Android. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.